Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my personal experience using these wallets. Choosing the right crypto wallet can be tricky, so let's dive into a comparison of Guarda wallet and Bitcoin Core. Which one comes out on top? Guarda wallet is a non-custodial, multi-currency wallet supporting a wide array of digital assets, including Bitcoin. This means you have complete control over your private keys, a crucial aspect of crypto security. Guarda is accessible on mobile, desktop, and web platforms, offering flexibility for users. It's designed for those seeking a feature-rich experience beyond just holding Bitcoin. Think thousands of other cryptocurrencies, integrated exchange services, staking opportunities, and even hardware wallet compatibility. If you value flexibility, diverse coin support, and user-friendliness while maintaining control, Guarda might be a good fit. Bitcoin Core, conversely, is a full-node Bitcoin wallet. This means it's specifically designed for users who want to interact directly with the Bitcoin network without relying on third-party servers. This offers maximum security and decentralization, as you're validating transactions yourself. However, this comes at a cost. Bitcoin Core requires downloading the entire Bitcoin blockchain, demanding significant storage space and processing power. The setup is more complex than Guarda, and it's not designed for holding other cryptocurrencies. It's geared towards advanced users deeply invested in the Bitcoin ecosystem who prioritize security and network participation above all else. So, which wallet reigns supreme? For most users, Guarda wallet offers a better balance. Its ease of use, broad cryptocurrency support, and advanced features like staking and integrated exchanges make it a versatile choice for managing various crypto assets. However, Bitcoin Core is a powerful tool for the dedicated Bitcoin enthusiast. If you prioritize security, decentralization, and direct network participation above convenience and multi-currency support, and you don't mind the technical hurdles, Bitcoin Core might be the better choice. Ultimately, the best wallet depends on your individual needs and priorities. Are you a beginner or someone managing multiple cryptocurrencies? Guarda is likely the better option. Do you want to be fully immersed in the Bitcoin network and don't mind the complexity? Bitcoin Core is the way to go. Check out the links in the description to explore both wallets further and make an informed decision.